Have you ever wondered how some people make money online without creating their own products? The secret is affiliate marketing, earning commissions by promoting other people's products. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to start affiliate marketing and build a reliable source of passive income, even if you're just getting started. Welcome to HowExpert Tip of the Day, where we bring you real-world tips from our how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. If you want to learn even more in-depth strategies, examples, and techniques on this topic, check out HowExpert Guide to Affiliate Marketing, available at Amazon, Audible, Barnes & Amp, Noble, Google, Kobo, Apple, Spotify, and all major bookstores as an ebook, paperback, hardback, and audiobook. Affiliate marketing is more than just sharing links. It's a business strategy that combines marketing skills, audience trust, and smart product selection. Done right, it allows you to earn money while you sleep, scale your income over time, and even turn it into a full-time business. Today, I'll walk you through 7 actionable steps to get started with affiliate marketing the right way. Step number 1. Understand how affiliate marketing works. At its core, affiliate marketing is simple. You promote a product, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Commissions can range from a few percent to over 50%, depending on the program. For example, Amazon Associates pays between 1% and 10%, depending on the product category. Understanding this basic model helps you see the potential and structure your approach effectively. Step number 2. Choose a niche. Focus on a specific niche that aligns with your interests, expertise, or audience. Niches help you target a specific group of people and make your promotions more effective. For instance, if you're passionate about fitness, you might focus on supplements, workout equipment, or online training programs. Choosing the right niche increases credibility, engagement, and your potential to convert visitors into buyers. Step number 3. Research affiliate programs. Once you have a niche, find affiliate programs that match it. Popular platforms include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareASale, and CJ Affiliate. Look for programs with competitive commissions, reliable tracking, and strong reputations. For example, if you're in the tech niche, promoting gadgets from reputable vendors ensures your audience trusts your recommendations. Selecting the right programs sets the stage for success. Step number 4. Build a platform or audience. Affiliate marketing works best when you have a platform to share your content. This could be a blog, YouTube channel, social media account, or email list. Your platform allows you to provide value, build trust, and reach people who are interested in your niche. For instance, a blog reviewing cameras can integrate affiliate links naturally within detailed guides. The stronger your audience and content, the more likely people will click and buy through your links. Step number 5. Create valuable content. Content is king in affiliate marketing. Your goal is to educate, entertain, or solve a problem for your audience. Examples include blog posts, tutorials, videos, product reviews, and how-to guides. For instance, a YouTube video demonstrating a kitchen gadget can link to the product in the description. Valuable content builds trust, keeps your audience engaged, and increases the likelihood of conversions. Step number 6. Drive traffic and promote your links. Once your content is live, attract people to it. Use social media, SEO, email marketing, and paid ads if your budget allows. The more targeted traffic you generate, the more chances for people to click your affiliate links. For example, writing SEO-friendly articles about best running shoes for beginners attracts search traffic from people actively looking to buy running shoes. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. Without it, even the best content won't generate sales. Step number 7. Track performance and optimize. Successful affiliate marketers track clicks, conversions, and revenue to see what works. Use tools like Google Analytics, affiliate dashboards, or link trackers. For example, if a particular product review generates high clicks but few sales, tweak the content, call to action, or link placement. Optimization is ongoing. Small improvements over time can significantly increase income. Motivation boost. Analyzing data turns guesswork into a strategy that grows your revenue reliably. Example section. A beginner's affiliate campaign. Imagine you start a blog in the home fitness niche. You write a detailed guide. Top 5 adjustable dumbbells for small spaces. You join an affiliate program for a popular dumbbell brand and include links in the post. You promote the blog through Pinterest, Instagram, and email newsletters. Each month, your article generates 200 clicks and 20 purchases, earning you a consistent commission. By repeating this process with more posts, your income scales over time. HowExpert Tip: focus on trust, not just sales. Always prioritize your audience's trust. Promote products you genuinely believe in, disclose affiliate links, and provide honest reviews. Trust leads to repeat visitors and higher long-term conversions. For example, an honest review highlighting both pros and cons is more effective than overselling a product. It builds credibility and loyalty. When you follow these steps, affiliate marketing becomes a sustainable income stream rather than a gamble. You'll have a repeatable system. Choose a niche, create content, promote products, and optimize results. Over time, your audience and earnings grow steadily. Your challenge? Choose one affiliate program in your niche this week and create a piece of content promoting it. Whether it's a blog post, video, or social media post, focus on delivering value first. That first step is the foundation of your affiliate marketing journey. For even more tips, techniques, and practical examples on this topic, check out HowExpert Guide to Affiliate Marketing, available at Amazon, Audible, Barnes & Amp, Noble, Google, Kobo, Apple, Spotify, and all major bookstores as an ebook, paperback, hardback, and audiobook. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.